Good morning, students. So today we are going to solve one more problem based on the star and delta networks. So the problem statement is find RAB between A and B. So here we can see that these resistors 2, 2 and 2. So these resistors are connected. These resistors are connected in delta fashion. So we want to make this as a star. So if I make it star, the resistors will be here. Here the resistors you will get here one, and here one. Okay, this will give you the star fashion. So anyway, the resistors are in delta and the resistors are same. The value you are going to get as first one delta to star. This will give the all resistors as 0.6 or 6. So this conversion you know how to convert. This is if you make the resistors 2 into 2 divided by total resistance, this is 6. So this is 4 by 6, 8.6666, like this value we are going to make. So those 0.66 are connected in series with these 4 resistors. These 4 resistors. So that will be reduced to like this. That will reduce to like this. So this is 2, 2, 2, and this value will be 4.6, 4.6. Okay, so this is E, this is P. This is first reduction. Then second one. Second reduction is we have the star fashion. This is star fashion. This I will reduce it to again delta. So again star to delta. This value you will get as some 13.8. This you know how to solve. That is 4.6 into 4.6 plus 4.6 into 4.6 plus 4.6 into 4.6, then divided by required resistor. Okay, I think this will be same in all the case. This will be same in the all case. So this we will get it as 4.6 only. So when you do this, the value you are going to get as 13.8. So its reduction is like this. So it will reduce to like this. This will reduce to like this. This 2, 2, 2. This is A, B. Here. So this all will be 13.8. This is 13.8. 8. Okay. So next you can observe that this register, this 2 is in parallel with 13, then this 2 is in parallel with this, and this 2 is in parallel with this. Okay, that reduction you will get it as parallel combination, parallel combinations. This will it as product 2 into 13.8 divided by 2 plus 13.8. This value will get as some 1.74 ohms. All the values are in ohms. So this reduction you will get it as like this. It will reduce to like this. This is A, B, this is 1.74 ohms, 1.74 ohms, this is 1.74 ohms. So we require in between A and B. So this resistor and this resistor are in series. So that means this will reduce to like this. This becomes A, this becomes B. So this will be 3.44 . Or 3.48. This may be 3.48. Then this is 1.74. So this resistor and this resistor are in parallel. So the answer you will get it as this is nothing but RAB is equal to 3.48 into 1.74 divided by 3.48 plus 1.74. This will be 1.162 ohms. So this is the final answer you are going to get. Okay. So this is the one problem. This it is asked for some 10 marks in the final exam. So try to solve this. And one more homework I want to give you. So please try to solve this homework that I will draw in the next page. So you can note down this and you can solve it as a homework. Find RAB. So resistors are connected like this. So this is point A, this is point B, then all the resistors are 100 ohm, 100, 100, 100, 100, so all the resistors are 100 ohm resistors. Then try to solve this. So one hint I can give you, that if you are confused, you can check here. This fashion is a star, so this you can reduce to a delta. Then one more, this is also a star fashion, this you can reduce to delta. Then this is one star fashion, reduce to delta, and here it is one the star fashion, you can reduce to delta. Okay, so then you will get the some parallel combinations and solve it. This is the homework. Then the answer is nothing but 125 ohms. Please solve it and get the answer. Thank you. Some other problems will continue in the next class.